Hello everyone, and I know it's very late night, but I just thought I would do a quick live on Bedside Chiffon, an organza new arrival which I have today for $100 shirt and dupatta. Very gorgeous and very nice colors. Mostly there are dark colors, a few light colors are there. Otherwise, mostly dark and light both are there, I would say. So I'll be very quick. You guys can take a screenshot to book any order that you want, or you can inbox or WhatsApp, or you can also book on live if you're 100% sure of buying. There's no cancellation allowed. While you are in the live, if you're booking something, you can always change it, but please do not change or cancel after the live is over. So let's start with it. So this is the first one. We had it in medium and large earlier. Now two small, one medium, one large has arrived today also. So a lot of people wanted to buy it yesterday, so the new stock has come. It's a very gorgeous purple chiffon shirt. It has beautiful light creamish embroidery with very sequence work throughout. It looks very gorgeous. And small is 39 chest size, medium 42, large is 44. Fully lined sleeves. There is lining under the sleeves. It is chiffon fabric. There is this gorgeous organza patch with lace work. $100 is the price. This is the whole look. You guys can take a screenshot to book it. I know it's very late for people who are not watching. You can I'm just doing a live because I have time right now, but you guys can always order it in the morning. This is the organza dupatta. It's fully embroidered. There is all this gorgeous cut work with embroidery here, and this frill on the pallu of the dupatta. $100, purple color, chiffon, fully embroidered shirt, beautiful pattern, color is very gorgeous, and embroidered organza dupatta. Small, medium, large, all three sizes are available. Then we have this gorgeous black dress in medium and large. Medium 42, large is 44. $100 is the price. It's fully embroidered. It's very gorgeous. Black with gorgeous copperish golden and maroon work. So this is a very beautiful full heavily embroidered dress. Fabric is organza and shirt dupatta both are organza. Medium 42, large 44 is available only. This is the sleeves work. You can see the gorgeous detailing. There is this organza patch with Pintex detailing. Lace is here. Sleeves are fully lined. Beautiful gorgeous little crystal and tassel detailing is there. $100 is the price for each article. Alright, this is the sleeves pattern. I love this heavy look. It's a very gorgeous dress. You can easily pair it up with a golden pant or black pant. Alright, organza shirt. There is all this beautiful sequence and pearl work on the neckline. Hand work is there. $100 is the price. Fabric is organza. This is the gorgeous tassel dori here. There are these pearl buttons here on the neckline in black color. Beautiful, very gorgeous tassel dori is there. And this is the daman. Alright. Only one medium, one large is available. $100 is the price. Medium 42, large 44. Beautiful, fully embroidered organza dupatta. So this is the organza dupatta. It's heavily embroidered. So this is one of the most heavy pieces that we have. For people who like gorgeously heavy dresses, this is one of the very gorgeous design and color. So black with antique gold work and maroon. $100, medium and large. Alright. Another hit designs. This is also available in yellow color, which was shown in earlier live. If anyone is interested, you can ask for it. Small and medium are finished in the yellow one. There's only one large left, I think. So this is another same design as the yellow dress. Now available in peach pink color. Small, medium and large is available. There is all this. This one is on chiffon fabric. Embroidered chiffon sleeves. There is this organza patch here. Gorgeous cut work. Embroidery pattern. There is this beautiful lace. Sleeves are fully lined. Chiffon fabric. Dupatta is organza. And then $100 is the price for each article. There is this beautiful embroidery pattern here. You get all this lace work. There is beautiful handwork here. As you can see, there are beautiful handwork motifs, heavily embroidered, heavy work, and there is all this hand embroidery here too. Kora dabka work, stone work, beautiful sequence detailing, fully embellished with pearls, peachy pink with organza dupatta. Small, medium, large, all three sizes are available. And this is the dupatta look. So this is for $100. This is one of the hideous designs. $100. Small, medium, and large. Small, medium, and large is available. We have same design in large size in yellow color also. If anybody is interested, only large is left in the yellow one. Then there is this one. I think I have already shown this one earlier. I don't remember it. I am holding size large, but I think we have small and medium too. So you can ask about that one. It's a very gorgeous color. Beautiful grayish tone. $100. This is on organza fabric. Neck work is very beautiful. You can see the detailing. There is all this Zardozi work on the neckline. Beautiful embroidery with little crystals, stone work, pearl work. Beautiful tassel detailing is there. This is the gorgeous tassel work here. Rest of it is fully embroidered. It's a very, very gorgeous, very unique grayish blue color. This is the diamond work. Beautiful lace, tassel, and detailing is there. This is the embroidered sleeves. Sleeves are fully lined. You can see the detailing of the sleeves also. There is lining in the sleeves. Alright. Very soft organza, very comfortable to wear. This is the back. Back is also fully embroidered. This is the daman of the back. Grayish blue. It's bluish grey, not grayish blue. Bluish grey. And organza is very soft. It has a very lightweight, very gorgeously embroidered dupatta. Love this pattern. The shirt is very heavily worked, and there is all this pallu embroidery. Alright. $100 is the price for each article. They are all two pieces, shirts and dupatta. Small 39, medium 42, and large 44 size. All sleeves are fully lined. Another very gorgeous black, small and medium only. Small 39 and medium 42. There is no large in this one. This is another very gorgeous. I think I'm loving blacks from this one because they are very gorgeously made. Beautiful designing is there. Beautiful colors they have used. This is a very gorgeous neckline. There is all this pearl embellishment first of all. Then they have given gorgeous handwork detailing. So you get all this beautiful handwork with pearl, sequins, beautiful embroidery. So there is all this embroidery patches with sequins and pearl embroidery throughout. Then there is this beautiful heavily embroidered daman with tassels and pearl detailings. You just have small and medium in this one. Sleeves are fully lined. $100 is the price for shirt and dupatta. You get all this tassel detailing, sleeves, gorgeous embroidery is there on the sleeves. Embroidered back. $100 for two piece, only small and medium. Love this design. This is very gorgeous. Beautiful tassel detailing is given. A very beautiful embroidered dupatta. Fabric is organza for this coat. You get all this embroidery, and then there is this heavy pallu. Alright, so you can see that. $100 shirt and dupatta. You can easily pair this up with a golden or black or maroon pant. This will look fine with all these colors. Then there is this very unique and gorgeous color. This is mehendi green or dull green, I would say. We have this one in large size only. Only large 44 is available. Momi, which one? The black one that I just showed. Did you take a screenshot so you can WhatsApp or inbox me to book? These are the sleeves. Only large is available. This is very gorgeous. This is a very unique color. Organza shirt. It's fully embellished with beautiful stonework. There is maroon and dark green embroidery pattern. This is the beautiful handwork with pearl detailings. And you get little bit same color embroidery, and there is pearl and stonework embellished on it. Same detailings of gorgeous tassel dori is there. This is the daman look. Large size is available, very gorgeous, very unique color. This is the dupatta. It's fully embroidered. $100, only one large size. Did you take a screenshot, Momi? If you have taken a screenshot, please inbox or WhatsApp me. Then this is one of the very new styles brought by Bin Said. This is one of the digital printed organza they have introduced, because till date I haven't seen any of this type from Bin Said. They have done a very gorgeous block print, digital print on this organza fabric first, and then they have put beautiful handwork detailings and embellishment. I really like this one. This is very unique and stylish. These are the digital printed sleeves. There is this beautiful, and sleeves are lined, so there is lining under it. There is this lace detailing, beautiful tassel work, and small, medium and large is available. Small, medium and large in this one. There is this beautiful handwork detailing here. It is deep fawn and golden karhai work here. You get this beautiful tassel detailings here in crystal and stone work. Again, you get all this gorgeous tassel detailings. Very gorgeous handwork and everything is there. It's a very gorgeous one. Dupatta is also digitally printed organza with embroidery, and back also is digital printed. It's a very different and unique gold, and only there is one type of this in the whole catalog. There's no other digital print work dress. $100 is the price. Small, medium and large. This is the embroidery on the dupatta. Rest of it is digital print. So $100, small, medium, large. Digital printed organza with gorgeous handwork detailings. I'll let you can see the look. $100 for shirt and dupatta. And there is this one, which is two-tone, very beautiful blue and lilac lavenderish shade is there. $100 is the price. Organza fabric. You get all this gorgeous handwork and crystal detailings on the neckline. Very beautiful tassel detailing is there. You can see there is all this gorgeous ferozi and golden color tassel crystal used. There is this ferozi color here, and then it goes into lilac. This is the purplish tone organza here. It's a very beautiful tone to the dress, very gorgeous. There is all this beautiful embroidery and lace work on the daman. It's fully embellished with pearl stones and gorgeous detailings. Back also has embroidery, embroidered back, and a beautiful double tone dupatta. So there is ferozi, and then the middle part is purplish, and then again ferozi, and dupatta is embroidered. $100 shirt and dupatta. Then there is this blue with green, small, medium, large, all three sizes are available. Chiffon shirt, very gorgeous green color embroidery is there. There are these beautiful pearl tassel buttons here. Very nice and gorgeous color. $100 is the price. Small, medium, large, three sizes. Back is also embroidered. Only one large and medium, small are available. And if you guys are interested to take any pants, you can ask us. We can see if we have, because we have few separate pants available, so we can see if any matches. This is the organza dupatta, embroidered back. $100, small, medium and large. Chiffon is the fabric for this one. It's a full length maxi or gown. Beautiful huge flare, which is fully embroidered. You guys can see it's a beautifully embroidered frock. Color is black. These are the sleeves. $100, small, medium, large. embroidered organza dupatta, and there is this bunch on the back. Very gorgeous look. Alright. And this is the embroidered dupatta. It's a very beautiful coat, only for $100. It's a very beautiful party wear. All dresses are very nice. It's your choice. Chiffon fabric and organza dupatta. Then there is this one in deep green color. This is available in size medium 42 and large 44. You get all this gorgeous work here and beautiful stone work and beautiful handwork detailings. This is the whole look. Gorgeously embroidered dupatta, embroidered sleeves, same tassel detailing is there, and a very beautiful soft organza dupatta. Organza is very nice quality. It's very soft and very gorgeously made. This is the embroidered dupatta. Okay. And this is the back. Medium 42 and large 44 is available. Shirt and dupatta $100. Let me see if any of the dresses are still left. This one is same design earlier I showed you in dark purple, and this is also available in small, medium, large in blue color. Chiffon shirt. This is a very gorgeous color. It's a very different and beautiful shade of blue. You guys can see. There is this embroidery with sequins and zari work. These are the sleeves. All are lined. Sleeves are fully lined. Small, medium, large size is available. This is the daman work. Alright, and this is the embroidered organza dupatta. This is the embroidered organza dupatta. So this design is available in two colors. There is purple and blue. This blue is very gorgeous. So chiffon shirt and organza dupatta. Then I think I'm done with everyone. And then this is my favorite color. It's a fully embroidered chiffon frock, very gorgeous. It's a full length frock, only for $100, and with organza dupatta. We have small, medium and large. This is the embroidery on the body. Very gorgeous embroidery. There is this tilla work here. Same color embroidery is there on full frock. This is the daman. Yes, sure, Mumi. I'll show you the purple one right now, just after this one. Beautifully embroidered dupatta. I love this dupatta style. There is this gorgeous little light pink flowers made throughout. There is this little kiran lace, and this is the pallu. Full embroidered pallu is there. Back is fully embroidered. Color is very fresh and gorgeous. It's a very gorgeous shade of Ferozi. And these are the embroidered sleeves. Sleeves are all fully lined. Price is $100 for each article. Small, medium, large. Mostly all sizes are there. And this is the purple one, Mumi. Alright, small, medium, large. All sizes are available. Okay. And thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Good night.